welcome or welcome back to my channel. For the people who don't know me, hi, this is Priyanka Bhattacharya and I welcome you all to my channel. I know you guys have been waiting for so long and the vlog came out so late. So today we are exploring 3 art and culture and I'm so excited. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And today we are going there for content shoot. Is done by yours truly and hair as well, and I feel absolutely amazing. And I'll be also enclosing some beautiful clips of the outfit that I'm going to wear, and I hope you guys like the video. In case you do, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. So today I'm taking you inside one of the most soulful, aesthetic and creative spaces that I have visited quite recently. It's called Try Art and Culture. If you love art and stories, you're going to enjoy this. So Try Art and Culture is more than an art gallery. It's a space built on 3 pillars like art, community and culture. The moment you walk in, you feel this wave of calmness, like the world slows down for you a little bit. You know, every corner here is designed to make you pause, think and actually feel it. It's just not about looking at art, it's also about experiencing it. So as I walk through the gallery, what I love is the variety. You'll find modern abstract pieces during exhibitions. There would be contemporary installations and visuals that actually make you question your own imagination. Each piece definitely have a story. Some feel nostalgia, some feel futuristic, some feel they are whispering something only you can hear. So that's what it makes Try stand out. And especially what makes Try stand out is how warm and inviting it is. It doesn't have that scary high class gallery silence where we're literally afraid to breathe. And the energy is quite open. You can talk about what you feel, you can ask questions, and nobody judges your interpretation. And it feels like a space created by artists for people who love creativity, curiosity, and culture. So, Try Art and Culture is also a community. They collaborate with emerging artists, host cultural events, and create opportunities for young creators to express themselves. And it's the kind of place where strangers can actually sit together and talk about art like old friends. Every visit feels very, very different because the exhibition and the energies keep changing. Why places like Try are important? In a world where everything moves too fast, places like Try remind you to breathe, to observe, to feel deeply again. Here, nobody forces you to understand art, to be honest. Try gives you permission to simply experience it. And that experience is very important because when your mind is tired, art gives you rest. When your emotions are very heavy, art gives you release. And Try isn't just in gallery, it's a community. So people from different backgrounds sit together, look at the same artwork, discuss, and suddenly they are connected through emotion. And that is important. You have to remind yourself that art isn't just for a specific group, art is for every human being because art reminds us that we are more than our routines, our deadlines, our
was damn good. Like I loved it. But one thing, वो थोड़ा छोटा था.
जो हमने इंस्टाग्राम में देखा था कि वो इतना इलोंगेटेड था और बहुत इवेंट्स होते थे, वैसे कुछ भी नहीं था. नॉर्मल डे पे कोई इवेंट्स चल भी नहीं रहा था और बस 3 जगह था एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए.
I love that one thing.
Yeah. But it is actually worth the effort to come here and take pictures and all. So if you want to visit, you can definitely come. If you guys like the content, it was very fun and I explored it. I loved it and I hope you guys liked it. Please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And please, please, please subscribe so that you can never miss an update when I upload a vlog. And please support me guys. Along with that, please stay tuned for the next video.